Hello, in front of me I have Nokia 6300 2020 edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it we need to press and hold the power button that's located at the top of our phone, right here. We have a power button. We need to press and hold it. Keep holding the button until you see this menu on the screen. Then use the directional pad to scroll down, select the option called power off, and press the middle button on the directional pad to confirm and turn off your phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold two buttons together, the power button and the asterisk button right here on the keyboard. So let's press and hold the buttons together. Keep holding the buttons until you see the KaiOS logo on the screen. Then you can release the buttons and wait until the phone enters the recovery menu. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu, you can use the up and down buttons on the directional pad, like that. And to confirm the selections, you can press the power button. In this menu we have options like Reboot System Now, Reboot to Bootloader, Apply Update from ADB, Apply Update from SD card, Wipe Data / Factory Reset, Wipe Cache Partition, Mount / System, View Recovery Logs, and Power Off. To exit this menu, you can select either Power Off option or Reboot System Now option, depending what you want to do with your device. If you want to turn it off, select the Power Off option and press the power button to confirm. And if you want to reboot it into system, select the Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm. I'm just gonna select the Reboot System Now, press the power button, and now let's wait until the phone is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.